The just-launched Zeekr X compact SUV has finally hit the streets, underscoring Geely's push into the electric vehicle market. The 2025 edition arrives in 3 trim levels, marrying performance, high-tech gadgets, and a stylish silhouette, with price tags ranging from $155,800 to $175,800 $21,800 to $24,600. Built for those who prize engineering and a touch of luxury, the refreshed model sprinkles in features while holding on to the unmistakable Zeekr look. At glance, the Zeekr X still sports the design language that separates it from the herd of conventional compact SUVs. The bodywork has hardly changed, retaining a remarkable aesthetic that resonates with both urban commuters and the more adventure-seeking crowd. Its clever matrix LED headlights, tucked flush into the grille, forge a visage that's simultaneously daring and polished. Beyond brightening the road, this lighting suite amplifies the car's sense of high-tech refinement. The dimensions feel well-balanced, 4,450 millimeters long, 1,836 millimeters wide, and 1,572 millimeters high, sitting on a 2,750 millimeter wheelbase that delivers both a ride and a roomy interior. The Zeekr X drapes its exterior in a spectrum that radiates charm, presenting 6 signature shades: Paris brown rice, sumo gray, Oslo black, California pink, Hangzhou green, Seattle green. Every hue was deliberately curated to dovetail with a mix of lifestyles from grace to flamboyant self-assertion. Mated with the car's contours and refined detailing, these pigments grant the vehicle an aura that's both commanding and warmly approachable as it cruises the road. Inside, the Zeekr X mixes comfort, cutting-edge tech, and a layout that feels tuned to its occupants. The cabin centerpiece is a 14-point. A modest flick of the wrist toggles the screen between a view and an entertainment-oriented one, granting flexibility for a range of scenarios. Whether meandering through thoroughfares or slipping in a media stream during a pause, the system amplifies both convenience and delight. Comfort and practicality have been nudged upward by a handful of well-placed storage and utility tricks. On the passenger side, an electronic glove box guarded by a password delivers a security layer. The cabin houses a 6.6-liter storage compartment and front cup holders, each aimed at smoothing out the grind. At the heart of the interior sits a 5.7-liter central island refrigerator, a dash of opulence that can both chill and warm as needed. The cooler can dip down to -6 degrees Celsius. Stay as warm at 20 degrees Celsius, while the heater lifts temperatures from 35 degrees Celsius up to 50 degrees Celsius. Perfect for keeping drinks or snacks at the exact temperature you prefer on a long journey. Embedding a 50W wireless fast charging pad for smartphones into the cabin underscores the model's blend of cutting-edge technology and everyday practicality. This setup keeps gadgets powered throughout the trip, catering to today's way of life. Coupled with a strict back cabin layout, buttery soft-touch surfaces, and tuned ambient lighting, the interior creates a tranquil space where refined elegance meets design. Performance still stands out as a defining trait of the Zeekr X. Under its exterior hides an electric drivetrain that can generate up to 489 horsepower and deliver a peak torque of 573 Newton-meters. With that kind of output, the compact SUV rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 3.69 seconds, figures that sit comfortably alongside those of high-end electric sports cars. With its dimensions, the Zeekr X offers lively, responsive acceleration, delivering a driving experience that feels both thrilling and stable. Supported by a dual battery strategy, the powertrain offers 2 options that juggle range against efficiency. The 61 kilowatt-hour energy unit is quoted to push an estimated 530 kilometers under the CLTC test, a figure that comfortably covers commutes and suburban wanderings. In contrast, The 66 kilowatt-hour CATL ternary lithium pack, typically paired with the dual-motor setup, reaches 512 kilometers, brings a noticeable boost in grip and punch, especially when the road gets demanding. Safety, durability, and an optimized energy flow sit at the heart of both battery systems, a sign of Zeekr's pursuit of high standards in electric mobility. Beyond horsepower, the Zeekr X emphasizes driver confidence and control through a suite of chassis and safety technologies. Its intelligent four-wheel drive system delivers grip and balances torque across a range of surfaces. Paired with the XTCS anti-skid system, the vehicle stays stable under aggressive acceleration or on slick roads. Meanwhile, Akebono's four-piston calipers sharpen braking precision, offering stopping ability without compromising comfort or responsiveness. Safety and driver assist technologies sit at the core of the Zeekr X experience. By integrating the Zeekr AD system, the car makes a stride towards semi-autonomous driving. The suite bundles full-speed cruise control, active lane assistance, collision avoidance systems, and a refreshed environmental monitoring module. These features not lift safety levels, but also ease driver fatigue on journeys. Through a sensor network and real-time data crunching, the Zeekr AD platform continually reshapes its behavior to match shifting road conditions. The idiosyncrasies of driver habits all to hand over a seamless experience. Passenger comfort is evident in the cabin's design. Acoustic insulation, chosen materials, and exacting engineering combine to mute noise, fostering a calm driving ambience. The suspension, fine-tuned for both plushness and responsiveness, rolls over ground with ease while still snapping into cornering. This marriage of performance and refinement highlights the Zeekr X's versatility, drawing in those who seek both thrills and a gentle ride. In a SUV, the refreshed Zeekr X takes a tack at mixing propulsion, cutting-edge tech, and sleek styling, while staying at a price that feels reachable. It brings in materials, state-of-the-art electronics, and a performance envelope that can sit shoulder to shoulder with higher-priced rivals, keeping the narrative that compact electric SUVs can punch above their weight. A spread of options and a palette of colors let owners pick what fits their taste, and its forward-thinking features make it one of the distinctive offerings in its class. The 2025 Zeekr X is a study in equilibrium, juxtaposing power with efficiency, upscale comfort with everyday practicality, cutting-edge intelligence with stripped-down simplicity. Its blend of razor-quick acceleration, generous range options, and avant-garde styling propels it to the line of the evolving electric vehicle scene. For those hunting a high-performing SUV that spotlights both daring innovation and unmistakable personality, the new Zeekr X presents a compelling forward-thinking choice.